Afternoon, everyone. I'm Nicola Dickinson from the Healing Art of Time Massage, for those who don't know me. I'm here today to invite you to my free masterclass. I'm kind of really excited about this masterclass because I haven't seen anything or this topic covered before. I'm going to talk you through how you can use traditional time medicine practices, the 5 senses, to improve the health and wellness of you and your clients. Now, this is going to allow you to make your services a touch above the rest. Don't believe me? Come along and see what it is and try it out, because this is how, when you go to a Thai spa, especially in Thailand or in anywhere all over the world, you know immediately when you walk through the door where you are. I'm going to show you how you can make those changes into your life. So, how do you join? Simply click on the link below, enter your details, and it'll come through to me. And what will happen is that you'll then be sent the details to dial in to the actual live masterclass. For those who can't make it, don't worry, it's going to be recorded. But I still need you to do the sign-up process so I know where I'm going to send you the video. So if you want to learn more, you're interested, or even just a little bit curious, please click the link, sign up, and I'll see you next week. Have a great day, everyone. See you soon.